Now let's see example 7. This is a little bit different because this is the case where you have cos theta plus sine theta, or you have cos theta minus sine theta, or you have sine theta minus cos theta. So if you find this type of question, you cannot solve with whatever we have learned before. You need to solve in terms of rewriting it in special case r cos theta minus alpha, or case of r sine theta minus alpha, or r cos theta plus alpha. So don't worry, the new form involving r and involving alpha, your new constant here will be given. Okay, so it will match with the question that you have. For example, let me show you. Now you have sec 3 cos theta plus sine theta. You are asked to rewrite this in terms of r cos theta minus alpha. Okay, why do we need to rewrite this in this term? Because this is a single trigo function. This will be very easy to solve later on, rather than doing this that you cannot solve by using properties, identities, and so on. Okay, so with whatever given to you, let's expand. Okay, your first step, you need to expand this. So let's expand. R is outside here. So you have cos theta cos alpha plus, and expand the R outside here. Again, R sine theta sine alpha. So you already know this formula by the formula of difference during 1.2. So what happened now is now you can compare the first term on your left hand side with the first term on your right hand side, and you can compare the second term on your left hand side with the second term on your right hand side. It will match. Okay, so don't worry. Let's compare the first part with the second part. For the first part, we are very clear that cos theta is the same there, so you can cancel out. Now you're left with sec 3 equal to r cos alpha. For the second term, we see that sine theta and sine theta is redundant. We can just divide both sides with sine theta. So now you're left with 1 equal to r sine alpha. Okay, so now let's rewrite in terms of cos alpha and sine alpha. So this is 3 over r. And here sine alpha is equal to 1 over r. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Our aim right now is we want tangent. So let's divide 2 and 1. Okay, so sine alpha divided by cos alpha. You'll get tangent. This is what we want. For the right hand side, 1 over r divide sec 3 over r. So this one can be cancelled out. And then sine over cos is tangent alpha. This is 1 over sec 3. This is what we want, okay? Because from here, very easily, you can find the acute angle. Just use calculator, shift tangent 1 over sec 3 to find arc tangent. So your alpha is 30 degree, okay? So don't worry, because the question has specified that your alpha is confirmed acute angle. So we just take the value of alpha 30 degree. No need to find the reference angle. The next one is you need to find another variable r. So the formula for variable r is square root a squared plus b squared. So where is your a and b? This will be the constant for your a, and 1 here will be the constant for your b. So let's do that. 3 and 1. So square root sec 3 squared plus 1 squared. Therefore, your r will be sec 4, which is r is equal to 2. So now it's very important for us to get r and alpha, because we want to rewrite whatever we have here now in terms of r and alpha. So it is really important to find out what is r and what is alpha, because this is what we want to do. We want to rewrite back your question in terms of r and alpha. Let's put in, this is 2 cos theta minus alpha 30 degree. So now let's see what the question was after you've expressed it in terms of r cos theta minus alpha. I want you to solve for sec 3 cos theta plus sine theta equal to 1. Okay, so From this equation here, you want to solve this equal to 1. That's it. So now you can write this in terms of cos, and this is equal to 1. This is very easy to solve because this is a single trigo functions. So this is equal to half. Don't worry about the angle inside here. This is just ayam. So now let's solve for your reference angle. Shift cos half. Your reference angle here will be 60 degrees. So now let's draw where is cos positive, add sugar to coffee. So quadrant 1 and quadrant 4, let's fill in reference angle 60 degree, 60 degree. So now let's read your true angle. This is 60 degree for the first one, plus 360 degree K. For the second one, is 360 degree minus 60 degree plus 360 degree K. Now let's solve a bit for your angle down here. To simplify, this is 300 degree plus 360 degree K. And don't forget, your K is integer. So now this is the moment of truth. You want to solve for theta, but now minus 30 degree is disturbing you. So what you can do is you can plus 30 degree on both sides. Okay, so let me write here, plus 30 degree plus 30 degree. So now let's solve a bit of the equation. You need to settle that and you need to settle this, okay? So no need to disturb your plus 360 degree K. Okay, so just add both of them. This is 90 degree plus 360 degree K. Another one is 330 degree plus 360 degree K. So this is your answer for your general solution. If you want to find a particular solution from 0 until 360 degree, so now let's do this. So this is your answer for this question.